Hey there, Group 1. So for your word work this week, we're actually going to start looking at plural endings. So normally, when we talk about making a word from singular, so one, into plural two, we just add an S. So simple example would be like, if I have one cat, right, and then I get another cat, I have two cats. And I just add this S and life is simple. That's called making a word plural. So if I got one thing, there's no ending. If I have two things, or three things, or five things, or 1,000 things, I have to add that S ending. However, there's always tricky words. So your word list this week, you're going to notice they all end in ES. So we don't just add a simple S to the end of the word, we add ES. And this happens when a word ends, I'm just going to move you a little bit, when a word ends with SH or CH. So let's look at a few examples. So I've been talking a lot about batch and batches of cookies, right? So if I make one batch, very simple, BATCH ending. If, however, I decide to make another batch of cookies, now I have two batch is, and that is sound you hear is actually the letters ES. So one batch becomes two batches. And see that ES ending? Batch is. It's weird because it sounds like the word is, but it's not. Let's look at another example. Let's say I have one dish, right? So it ends in an SH, one dish. And then I take out 10 dish is. Notice that same sound, that is sound at the end, but it's spelled with an ES. So we add ES to words that end in CH and that end in SH when we make it plural. And as a reminder, this word plural means we have more than one. So singular, just one thing, plural would be 2, 3, 4, 5, and then infinity, whatever. So if it ends in CH or SH, add ES when we make it plural. Now on your word list, I already made them plural for you, so you can practice taking off the ES, adding back the ES, and just kind of seeing that pattern. So your words are as follows, and you're going to hear a lot of ch and sh sounds this week. All right, arches, watches, couches, switches, like a light switch, right? Light switches. Lunches, branches, churches, inches, peaches, benches, lashes, lashes, right? Leashes, like a dog leash, right? Bushes, dishes, flashes, wishes, crashes, and brushes. So make sure you hear all those is sounds. How are they actually spelled? Right, ES. We add ES to the end of words to make them plural when the word ends in a CH or an SH. Good luck, Group 1. See you guys later.